Hello everyone, are you curious about how to adjust your bike's suspension for different terrains? Let's find out. Adjusting your bike's suspension for different terrains is crucial for achieving optimal performance, comfort, and control while riding. Whether you're tackling smooth roads, rugged trails, or technical descents, making the right adjustments to your suspension can enhance your riding experience and maximize your confidence on the bike. Let's explore some tips for adjusting your bike's suspension to suit various terrains and conditions. Firstly, it's essential to understand the basic components of your bike's suspension system. Most modern bikes feature front suspension forks and rear shock absorbers, both of which can be adjusted to fine-tune your ride quality and handling characteristics. Suspension adjustments typically include settings for preload, compression, and rebound, which control the stiffness, damping, and responsiveness of the suspension. When riding on smooth or flat terrain, such as paved roads or well-maintained trails, you'll want to adjust your suspension to provide a firmer and more efficient ride. Start by increasing the preload on your suspension components to reduce sag and minimize unnecessary movement. This helps maintain pedaling efficiency and stability, especially when climbing or sprinting on flat terrain. Additionally, you can adjust the compression damping to reduce the amount of suspension movement and prevent excessive bouncing or bobbing while riding. A firmer compression setting helps maintain a more responsive and controlled ride, allowing you to power through obstacles and maintain traction on smooth surfaces. Conversely, when tackling rough or uneven terrain, such as rocky trails or technical descents, you'll want to soften your suspension to absorb impacts and smooth out the ride. Begin by reducing the preload on your suspension to allow for more sag and greater wheel travel, which improves traction and comfort over rough terrain. This allows your suspension to better absorb bumps, roots, and obstacles, reducing fatigue and improving control. You can also adjust the compression damping to provide more suppleness and compliance over rough terrain, allowing the suspension to react more quickly to sudden impacts and changes in terrain. A softer compression setting enhances traction and stability, especially when riding at higher speeds or negotiating technical sections where control is critical. Finally, don't forget to adjust the rebound damping to match the characteristics of the terrain and your riding style. Faster rebound settings help the suspension recover quickly between impacts, providing a more lively and responsive ride on smoother terrain. Slower rebound settings, on the other hand, offer more control and stability over rough terrain by preventing the suspension from packing down or kicking back too aggressively. In summary, adjusting your bike's suspension for different terrains involves fine-tuning the preload, compression, and rebound settings to optimize performance, comfort, and control. By understanding how each adjustment affects your ride quality and handling characteristics, you can tailor your suspension setup to suit the specific demands of the terrain and conditions you're riding in. Whether you're cruising on smooth roads or shredding down gnarly trails, proper suspension adjustment can make all the difference in your riding experience. So, experiment with different settings, pay attention to how your bike responds, and enjoy the benefits of a well-tuned suspension on your next ride. Thank you for watching. Please follow for more related videos and see you later. Goodbye.